Hi guys, it's Miss Heinert again. Today we're just going to write a quick conclusion sentence and then work on our illustration, and you are done with your story. So let's check out our writing from yesterday um, and add on our conclusion. So this says giraffes are interesting animals. They are the tallest land animals. They can be up to 19 feet tall. Giraffes can sleep standing up. They have a long neck that they use for protection. And so my conclusion um, is kind of going to echo my topic sentence. So it's going to be very similar. My topic sentence was giraffes are interesting animals. This time I'm going to say, aren't giraffes neat? And I'm going to put a question mark and an exclamation mark because it is a question, but I'm also really excited when I say it. So I ended my story with, aren't giraffes neat? You could also say something like, isn't that cool? Or this is why I love giraffes. Those would all be great things to say. So let me slide this over so it's kind of out of the light a little bit. All right, now at the bottom, I'm obviously going to draw a picture of a giraffe to go along with my story. Now, I'm not the best drawer, but I'm going to do my very best. So let's start with the giraffe's body. His long legs. They also, I'm gonna go on this side. They also have a tail. Okay, they also have a couple more legs I have to add to make 4 legs. Okay, now on to the hard part. The long neck. Ears. Giraffes have these like kind of weird things that go off their head like that. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those before. I don't know what those are for. I should look that up. And then I could put spots all over. Kind of looks like cow spots. That's not really what I meant, but that's my best spots, so we'll keep them. There we go. There is my giraffe. And then I would take my colors and I would finish it. But I don't have any colors right now. So there's my illustration. I can't wait for all of you guys to show your teachers your illustrations next week and read these stories to them because they're going to love them. So make sure you send them pictures. Okay, guys, great job this week. Great job keeping up with your writing and getting these stories done. This is awesome. All right, see you later.